Hello and good day, and so this is my review on this DMoose Pull Up Bar, and I do want to thank them for gifting this to me actually. And so with this in particular, I basically just want a way to do actually back calisthenic workouts, and so that's the reason why I actually got a pull-up bar. And so with this in particular, it feels very sturdy. It took me less than 15 minutes to actually install. You've got wide grip pull-ups for those sides over there. You've got close grip pull-ups on the side over here as well. You've also got a way to actually attach a ring here in case you want to do any band exercises as well. Now with this pull-up bar in particular, I'd say the max weight is about 220 to 240 pounds. You do want to make sure that the door frame that you're using on is pretty stable as well. But overall, very pleased with it. It feels very sturdy. It's also got some padding here as well in case you want to press this against the door. It could also be reversed or basically placed onto the floor to actually be used as a push-up bar as well. So very pleased with it. And again, I do want to thank DMoose for actually gifting this to me. I've had no problems with this whatsoever.